Hi everyone, welcome back to day 44 of Learning English Every Day. Yesterday I really enjoyed the video because I am focused more on speaking and pronunciation. So today I want to do something similar. Si se preguntan por mi nuevo micrófono, no encontré los otros y tengo dos micrófonos. Pero estos siento que no son de mayor calidad, así que pues por si escuchan el muy malo el audio, pues es porque cambié los micrófonos. De hecho, me lo voy a tener que acercar un poco más. Lo voy a poner por aquí, por aquí. Ya, bueno, yo creo que así. Y voy a hablar un poco más alto. Bueno, yesterday I really enjoyed the video because I focused more on the speaking and pronunciation. So today I want to do something similar. And my goal today is to improve my pronunciation, speak more naturally, and challenge myself to talk in English without translating everything in my head. Mm, I also want to practice some words that are difficult for me because I know that pronunciation is one of the most important parts of learning English. Well, first, first I'm going to warm up by saying some simple sentences. I am learning English every single day. I want to speak English more naturally. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake help me improve. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep practicing. The more I speak, the more comfortable I become. Now I am going to say them again. But this time is I am going to try to speak faster and more naturally. Now let's practice some words that can be difficult to pronounce. The first word is mm, trough. Trough, tough. I thought about it yesterday. The first word is difficult. Seriously, it's difficult. I thought about it yesterday. The next word is trough. Rough. I walked rough the door. Another difficult word is world. World. The world is a big place, and now that that is what I wanted to say. I'm going to repeat these words several times because I want to focus on the position of my tongue and the way I move my mouth. Thou rough world that 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 thou thou rough world that. Mm, well, now I'm going to challenge myself. I am going to read some sentences without stopping. I know that English can be difficult sometimes, but I am going to keep practicing. I thought learning English will be easier, but now I understand that it takes time. I want to speak English confidently, even when I make mistakes sometimes. I don't know the correct word, but I can still try to explain what I mean. I am learning new words, improving my pronunciation, and become becoming more comfortable every day. Now I want to do something different. I am going to try to speak about my day without translating every sentences in my head. Today I woke up with a lot of energy. I've felt motivated because I wanted to record another video. I grabbed my phone, start started preparing everything, and then I decided that today video will be about speaking and pronunciation. I know that sometimes I make mistakes when I speak English, but I am not going to worry about that. My goal is not sound prof. My goal is not to sound perfect. My goal is to communicate, practice, and improve. I think that speaking every day is helping me become more confidently. I've been learning English for a long time, but this challenge has made me take it more seriously every day. I try to learn something new. Sometimes I study grammar, sometimes I practice pronunciation, sometimes I watch English videos, and sometimes I simply speak English for a few minutes. I have already learned many things during this challenge, but I still have a lot to learn. I know I will mistakes and that's completely normal. If I make mistake in I can learn from it and try again. That's why I want to continue practice every day. 1 minute English challenge. Now I'm going to give myself 1 minute to speak only in English. I cannot switch to Spanish. I cannot stop because I don't know a word. If I don't know a word, I'm going to explain it in another way. Okay, let's start. Today is another video of my English journey. I recording this video because I want to improve my English, my speaking skills. I want to become more comfortable when I speak English. Sometimes I feel nervous because I don't know if my pronunciation is correct, I kn- but I know that practicing is the only way to improve. I don't want to wait until I am perfect to start speaking. I want to speak now, make mistakes, learn from them, and continue improving. Mm, that is the reason why I am doing this challenge. Final thought. Okay, that was today's challenge. I I think today's video was really useful because I practiced pronunciation, speaking, and confidence. I also noticed that some words are still difficult for me, especially words like thought, trough, world, and that. But that's okay. I'm going to keep practicing. Then until they become easier. Easier. I'm really happy that I am already on day 44 because that means I be consistent for a long time. And I am not stopping here. I still have a lot more English to learn. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you tomorrow for day 45. And remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes, just keep speaking. See you tomorrow.